This method can provide new insights into the reduction chemistry of lanthanide metals in the field of organic chemistry, as demonstrated in this case in CF activation reactions. The main advantage of this technique, which can be applied to all lanthanide metals, is that it provides highly reactive metals for a wide range of organic and organometallic reactions.
Prior to the procedure, synthesize the desired trifluoromethylated benzofulvene and nitroalkene. The day before the reaction, distill at least 2 milliliters of anhydrous tetrahydrofuran and store it over activated molecular sieves. Also, transfer into a nitrogen or argon-filled glove box a metal file, pliers, aluminum foil, a shallow polypropylene container, an oven-dried 5 milliliter test tube, and 2 rubber septa. To begin, measure out 0.65 millimoles of the trifluoromethylated benzofulvene and place it in an oven-dried 50 milliliter Schlenk tube equipped with an oven-dried magnetic stir bar. Close the Schlenk tube with a PTFE-lined plastic screw cap. Clamp the tube over a magnetic stirrer and connect the sidearm to a Schlenk line. Start stirring at about 700 to 800 RPM and open the tube to vacuum. Dry the benzofulvene under vacuum for 10 minutes.